everyone! In this video, I will share an idea on how to transform inexpensive materials into a beautiful home. We are featuring Ma'am Samantha's house from Davo del Sur. The construction of this house cost around $4,400 and covers an area of 396 square feet for a 2-bedroom house. It utilizes half-hollow block construction along with tubular materials for cladding. The design incorporates half-hollow blocks and concrete columns with steel tubular materials used halfway up the structure. For more details, we export our model to SketchUp. Below are the V-Ray rendering settings to guide you in rendering your project in SketchUp. One of my studio projects involves using half-concrete hollow blocks and columns, along with partial steel cladding, to create visually appealing outcomes with these 3 distinctive materials. The right color tone for the cladding enhances the beauty of these simple, attractive, and cost-effective materials. With the guidance of a professional architect, this design transforms your dream house into a more beautiful space.